Welcome back to Heartland RV. This is the Big Country 3502 RKI, a brand new floor plan for us. I'm excited to show you, so we'll whip it around and I'll show you this wonderful kitchen. So it is a rear kitchen starting in the back here. You do have your residential oven here along with a really cool hood vent up here. Plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. This is something really new to the industry. Overall, we love the look of it. You got this new farm style sink with a vegetable wash tray and stuff that you can fold up and get out of the way as well. I think this floor plan is really great because of all the counter space, again, back there in the back, right here in the island, as well as this off-door side. And if you notice, there's no microwave up here. We've moved it down below, kind of that luxury house style kitchen. I love it. There's plenty of counter space and cabinetry back here for all your needs. Now, something I think is really cool, we're kind of starting to see it in the industry as well, but we have a hidden pantry area back here behind the entertainment center. Gives you more storage space for maybe some of those items that you don't want displayed throughout the unit. Another really cool thing I think we did in this entertainment area is what looks like a mantel pulls out into a nice storage shelf. Now we've utilized a couple different things for this item right here. Right here it looks like a great footrest as well, but if you're looking to eat, you can pull it up. Or down here we have a cushion and you can move this over to the dinette and sit on it for seating for four. Because over here I have the dinette with two freestanding chairs, so I could put it on this back side and have two people sit here along with the two freestanding chairs over there as well. Another really cool feature that I think really breaks this unit up or makes it seamless is we don't have individual valances above our windows. It's one long continuous stream going from end to end. Kind of keeps it all real nice and clean. You don't see individual valances. I love the overall look of it. Again, with the dark tones and the light tones up above, I think Big Country nailed it on the head with this overall look going in for 2024. So Adam, I'm gonna head upstairs to kind of show you what we got here. Nice little handrail, working our way up. The first room we get to is going to be the bathroom. So you can see it's a full style. You get that residential spa shower head and handheld feature. So that's a really nice feature to have here. I love the freestanding bowl that's above on top of the countertop. But again, shelf space, storage, that's what we're always looking for. As we move this way into the master bedroom, again, a nice huge king size bed. You got a fireplace in the kitchen or in the bedroom. Countertop as well for the top of the dresser, some more storage, and I think we nailed it on this overall front closet. You get solid surface as well there, more storage, hanging rod, and then over here, I love the new doors, your washer and dryer prep area. Thanks again for taking a look at the Big Country 3502 RKI.